Okay, here's the following problem related to typing. I cannot put that cursor between two letters because it's always selecting a letter. So just by clicking between two letters, it's selecting a letter. So how to fix that problem? Well, let's use a keyboard. You just have to press the insert key on your keyboard. So let's show it. So I'm using an on-screen keyboard. Okay, and currently it is selecting the letters, and if I press insert, now it's placing that cursor between those two letters. Let's zoom in. So the cursor, it is between two letters. If I press insert once again, let's use this on-screen keyboard. Now it is once again selecting letters instead of placing the cursor between two letters. So just use insert and that toggles between the two modes. Cursor between two letters.